let's get the sum of these two fractions here. The polynomial 4u squared plus 12ub plus 9v squared minus 25 over quantity 2u plus 3v minus 5 times quantity u minus v plus 3u plus 4v plus 5 over v minus u. So first off, we need to get the factors of this polynomial expression here. So I'll write here 4u squared plus 12ub plus 9v squared. Now I'm going to group the first three terms here, then minus 25. Now, let's consider this. This is a quadratic trinomial. Now, at a glance, this is a perfect square trinomial. So let's factor this. The first term is a perfect square. So let's get the square root of that. That's 2u. And likewise, this one, that's 2u times 2u. This one is likewise a perfect square. So square root of that is 3b. So I'll write here 3b times 3b here. Now, the sign of the middle term is plus. So I'll write here plus and a plus. What must be plus? So we now have here a product of two identical binomials. So let's check this. 2u times 2u is 4u squared. 2u times 3b is plus 6ub. 3b times 2u is plus 6ub. So 6ub plus 6ub is plus 12ub. So it satisfies the middle term. 3b times 3b is 9b squared. So we're good with this. So minus 25. Now we can rewrite this as 2u plus 3b quantity squared minus, we can write 25 as the square of 5. Yeah, so 5 squared is 25. Now if I assume 2u plus 3b as x and 5 as y, we now have here x squared minus y squared. Now recall, x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times x minus y. Now we're going to substitute. So right here, substitute x equals 2u plus 3b and y equals 5. So we'll substitute this in this formula here. So x plus y, this one, that's 2u plus 3v plus y. So that's plus 5 times x minus y. So that's 2u plus 3v minus 5. So let's take this out of the bracket. This becomes now 2u plus 3v plus 5 times 2u plus 3v minus 5. So these are the factors of the numerator there. So let's substitute. Two u plus 3b plus 5. Times 2u plus 3b minus 5. Over this one, that's 2u plus 3b minus 5 times u minus b. Plus, now take note of this. We have here u minus b, and this one is v minus u. Now we can make this v minus u in the form u minus b by multiplying it by minus 1. So I'll write here v minus u. I'll multiply it by minus 1. Yeah. And likewise, to compensate for that, we need to multiply the numerator by minus 1 as well. So I'll write here 3u plus 4b plus 5. I'll multiply this by minus 1. So that minus 1 over minus 1 is 1. That will not affect the value of the original fraction. So let's simplify this. We have 2u plus 3b minus 5 over 2u plus 3b minus 5. So we can cancel that out. So what's left is this. That's 2u plus 3v plus 5 over u minus b. Now, minus 1 times plus is minus. So I'll write here minus. So the sign now changes from plus to minus. So I'll copy 3u plus 4b plus 5. Now, minus 1 times minus u is positive u, or simply u. So I'll write here u. Then minus 1 times v is minus b. Now, we have here two fractions with a common denominator, u minus b. So we can now combine them. I'll write here their common denominator, u minus v. So I'll copy this, 2u plus 3v plus 5. Now, that's minus there, so 3u preceded by a minus sign, that becomes minus 3u. 4b preceded by a minus sign, that becomes minus 4b. 5 preceded by a minus sign, that becomes minus 5 over u minus v. So we have here 5 minus 5 is 0, so we can cancel that out. What's left is this, 2u minus 3u is minus u. 3v minus 4v is minus v. Over u minus v. Now we can rewrite this as minus. I'll enclose this in a parenthesis, so that becomes u plus v. So u preceded by a minus sign is minus u. V preceded by a minus sign is minus v. Over u minus v. Now the minus sign in the numerator, we can write it before the fraction. So what's left is u plus v over u minus v. And that's the answer.